Alright guys, we're gonna unbox our DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Yep, gonna open inside. Ooh. Alright guys, this is the can see the items inside. So look at that. Alright. So lakad mo na. Huwag mo na. Right, this is the bin. So many things inside. This is the the mic. This is the battery mic. Okay, it's a magnet. I think this is the magnet. Yeah, magnet for the put in the here like that. It's a tripod. Oh, like that. All right, and then again. Submitting. Well, okay, this is the one. Like this. Remove this one. Right, that's the one English. This is the what's this? Okay. Well, so there's so many things going on there.
Hindi nga siya kasama dito.
All the accessories is there. Like we call that Osmo Pocket 4. This is all right. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Babush. All right.